everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Josie. Looky what I've got. I've got another 6 pounds and I have a lot of extra stuff today. So I'm going to lower my camera and show you what we got. And remember, if you see something that you just can't live without, send me an offer with a screenshot. Remember, I do not have time to go back and watch my videos. So make sure you send me a clear shot so I can see which piece you want. And most of the time I do accept your offer. Once in a while I will counter. So let me lower the camera and let's see today what we have. Pretty excited. I got this a few days ago and believe me or not, I did not peek. But look at this. Angry Birds. You remember when that was really popular. Now the box itself needs a little cleaning and I will clean that. It's not been out of the box. I haven't even, I'm sure it probably needs a new battery. Let me take, they have the stem. See if I can get that. I don't have pliers handy to pull that in with my nails. So I don't know if the battery's still good or not, but I will check it out. If it needs a new battery. This is cute. It really is. Hopefully it works and I will clean up the box, but it is Angry Birds. And it is from Long Island City, New York. Really cute. Anyway, that is one. I did get some other watches. She knows I love watches, so. And I will check all these out. I clean them up, and I also, this is another Elizabeth Taylor. This is about my 3rd one I've gotten recently. Look at that. That's lovely. I cleaned them and I put new batteries. And this is, let's see, let me use my loop. See what brand it is. Let's see, Kim. The way the hand is, it's right in front of the first letter. It's not Kim Rogers, so different brand that I'm not familiar with, but I will move that hand and then be able to read that. It's not hallmarked on the back, but it's kind of cute. Kind of neat. Okay, we have a Simply Vera, a fashion ring. And it has a retail of $18 from Kohl's. Wow. Size 8. It's brand new. And let's see here what we have. This is Anne Klein. Very nice watch. Let's see if the band is leather or not. It felt like it. Genuine leather. It shows a little wear in the back, but not the front at all. It's a beautiful watch. Again, I will put new batteries. I do not sell my watches without knowing if they run or not. This is lovely. This is no brand, but I like this. Stainless steel back. Beautiful watch. There is no wear whatsoever on this one. Okay, let's see. I think there's one more watch. I've been busy working on junk journals, and this is Armatron. It's a beautiful watch, but the face of it, hopefully it's just dirty. It's really nice. I will have to see. Hopefully that's not inside, because to actually take the back off and the insides out, usually this part here will break. But that's a beautiful watch. Excuse me. We have a ring that says Grandma. It needs a little cleaning. This is a size 13. Looks like a man's ring. It's new with the tag. That's actually kind of nice. This is a size 7. Cute ring. Still has the tag on it. That's nice. I like to get rings. Yeah, I think we have some bling. Ooh. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Love the chain on this piece. There's no missing stones, no discoloration. You know, that will go into my favorites at the end. I always choose my favorites. Here is a lovely rhinestone bracelet. Looks about an 8 or an 8.5. Beautiful. And we have some tennis bracelets. I think there's about 4 of them. Wow. That, I'm going to just open them all at one time and just show you. Let's see. I got 5 of them. These are lovely. There isn't one of these tennis bracelets I wouldn't wear. I like them all. Okay. There is 5 of these. It's that one. That one. That one's a little wider. And then those 2. These are lovely. And all of them have an insert clasp. These are nice. Those are quality. Those are not just the little cheap crystal ones that you see. Well, this I know is vintage. Oh wow. Needs a little cleaning, but other than that, that's no missing stones. Look at this piece. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. That needs a little cleaning, but that's a fantastic piece. And here we have another rhinestone vintage fold over clasp. Lovely, lovely piece. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, we're almost done with the extras. Excuse me. This is nice. The chain's in good condition. Black chain. This is a nice baller winner piece. I like to wear black anyway. I wear a lot of black. And here is another rhinestone vintage piece with the hook clasp. Love getting the rhinestones. Almost ready to get it into the bag. Now this, it says silverware by Darlene. Upcycling vintage silverware into wearable pieces of art. And this is out of Wisconsin. Custom-made jewelry from our heirloom silverware, silver plated or sterling silver. So I will test this, but look at this. This is cool. So it is either silver plate or sterling. They do not hallmark their pieces, apparently. I think it's probably silver plate, but I'm not 100% sure. I will test that. Okay, let's get into the bag. Let's see what we have here. I have no idea. Oh, look at this brooch. That is cool. And it's hallmark K and T. That's a beautiful leaf. Like that. I like that. We have some pretty white sea beads. Wow. This is a long one. This is nice. Toggle clasp. Lovely piece. Oops. I thought it was supposed to be knotted. Not. It's not. Very long. Beautifully made. Okay, I like that. Whoops. That broke. Okay, that was, glad it broke for me. Here's the stick pin. I've been getting quite a few of the stick pins lately. And those are all vintage. Oh, wow. We have some stone in here. Kind of a crude looking necklace, but very nice. I like it. That is nice. Another bracelet with a lobster clasp. And this is interesting. It says, made with love. Look at the crystals. Those look like genuine crystals. Crystal beads. And lovely toggle clasp. That's nice. I like that. Okay. Now this is a different brooch. I have not, look at the shine on that. Not seen that one before. A small statement piece, which is very nice. I like the color on this piece. Look at that. Isn't that nice? And it has a lobster clasp. I don't see any discoloration, no missing stones. This is glass, so it's very lovely. The toggle is a heart. It's a stretch bracelet. This is different. This says ANF. Magnetic closure. I like that. I have not seen one like that, so I do like that though. Now these bracelets are not my favorite. Every once in a while somebody will request something like this, but it's one of those wrap bracelets. I would take the beads off. It has a tree of life on it. That's kind of cool. Look at the heart. As you can tell, not my favorite. Well, this, I thought for a minute this was an ID bracelet, but it's, I guess you could put a name on it. I might test this one. Let's see. It's got something on it. Let's see if I can read that. This is a pretty old piece, I think. I think it's got an initial inside. No, I think this is, it's kind of faded, but I can see the 5. I think this is 925, but I will clean it and test it. This is a very old piece, but it's nice, and I think it might be 925. Oh, I like this. Look at that. That is cold. Don't know what it is, but very unique. That's a piece that not everyone's going to have, you know. You're not going to see it everywhere. This is pretty. Another smaller statement piece. Beautiful color. I wouldn't think about putting violet and blue, that shade of blue together, but that's beautiful. That will probably be in my favorites. Let's see, what do we got here? Courage, dream, hope, and believe. Wow. I might go ahead and test this one too. Lovely toggle. It's not everyone hallmarks their jewelry, especially the older pieces. Now this one's not much of anything, although, you know, there might be somebody who would love it. This is different. Okay. Oh, it has a barrel screw clasp. Very different bracelet, but quite nice. The shell. Here's a wooden ring. I can't see myself wearing that, but like I said, everyone has a different taste. This is nice. This is a stretch bracelet. Very different. I have not seen this one. And the reason why I say that, sometimes, you know, as resellers, when we buy lots of jewelry, and you will get duplicates. Oh, this is cool. This feels like vinyl or something. But that is cool, actually. Different. Again, different. Yeah, sometimes, you know, we can get a bag in, you'll see duplicates. Well, this is kind of cool. I will probably put this in a craft bag. And by the way, my I don't call my craft bags junk jewelry because I do put wearable in there and I don't put loose beads. Let's see, this has a Hallmark. I have bought bags before off of eBay. This is stainless steel and they throw in loose beads and I hate that. I really do. If you're going to sell beads, you know, you put them in a Ziploc bag. Well, I'm not sure how to open that, but I'm not going to spend time right now. But that's cool. Look at that bracelet. And this part's stainless steel, which is nice. But I do put some wearable in my craft bags or boxes. And I'm going to be making up some $5 bags. I do have a medium flat rate box right now for $45, and that includes the shipping. This says love on it. I know there's people who love these bracelets too. This one is not hallmarked. Most of these are stainless or sterling silver, but that one is not hallmarked. Doesn't mean it's not. Oh, look at this sea bead. That is gorgeous. And I'm not even a bead person, but look at that. I really like that one. I think my taste is changing. I've come across some really cool bead jewelry lately. It's kind of nice. It's faux leather, but it's nice. It looks brand new. And let's see what we have here. This looks like amethyst. It really does. And these are cold. Beautiful. Let's see, this is hallmarked. Looks like JJ and a couple of marks. Not sure. That's nice. Here is a cuff. This together needs cleaning. Let's see, together we can make a difference or something. Needs cleaning, so it's hard to read. Can make yeah, together we can make a difference. And this has the Cancer logo. It's a beautiful bracelet. And you can take this off. You don't have to keep this logo on. It's a beautiful bracelet. I will clean that. A lot in this bag. And here is another chain one. We get a lot of those. Now, I've seen this bracelet before. It's cute. It's small. That's cute. I think a young teenager would like that. And here is the fish bracelet. Fold over clasp. In good condition. Okay, let's see here. This is cool, but way too big for me. There's no missing stones, no discoloration. Look at that. If you have a larger wrist, that's a great one. This one's nice. It's artisan made. Again, very different. Like that. Here is a clamper in good condition. This is artisan made. And I know I have actually sold a couple of these. I didn't, you know, it's not my taste. I didn't think anyone would like them, and it's amazing people love these. That's very nice. So I guess it would be a very boring world if we all liked the same thing. This is acrylic in good condition. Oh, I love this bracelet. This has a fold over clasp. Beautiful. I like that one. Okay. You can always tell when I like something. This is Austria Swarovski crystal, and these look like pearl too. Crystal bead. Look, these are neat. I'll leave them in the package right now. When I show them, I'll take them out. Marble, brass. So this is brass. See if you can see that. That's different. Oh, I like this. As I always say, this seller never disappoints me. Beautiful, look at this. That's classy. You could put this on with a plain dress or top, and you are dressed up. Gorgeous. Faceted beads. That's a great one. This has an L on it. This needs a chain. It's in good condition. We have that. Those are cold. I would take this apart and put this on a chain. Those are cool beads. Here's some shell and a magnetic closure, which I love. Those are nice. My problem sometimes is, you know, I can't keep everything. That's acrylic. I don't know what it's supposed to be, but I guess you can make it anything you want. This is pretty, in good condition. Oh, wow. Look at this. That is gorgeous. I also can see that in jewelry art. That is really a pretty piece. I mean, I like that. Okay, we got a chain here tangled. There we go. This is nice. A nice statement piece. Good colors. Good for fall or winter. That's nice. Kind of a heavy piece. Oh, wow. Now I haven't seen this one before either. Let's see here. I'm not sure how it goes. That's cool. I'm a navy blue. That is nice. And we have this piece. Very nice. You can see, I don't get many pieces in these lots that like have missing stones or broken. I mean, I'm very happy with everything that I buy from her. This is cool. Spring ring clasp. Well, these are plastic. These are good for crafts. Oh, and we have a matching bracelet with that. Oh, yeah. Well, this is pretty. Stretch ring. Let me show you. That's nice. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? And there's no discoloration. That makes it even nicer. This is pretty. Now you could put a heavier chain, a ribbon, or even a scarf, I think is really nice with these. That's one of the nicer ones because sometimes I get them and I really don't like them, but that one's a nicer one. Here is a pin. We have some faux pearls. Fold over clasp. Nice though. This says never give up. Oh, I always say that. Never give up. And this is a really different bracelet. Looks like it still had a tag on it. Oh no, I see what they did. This is artisan made. That's how it slips onto the closure. It says blessed. Very nice. That's a nice piece. Okay, let's see here. We have a bunch of these Alex and Annie style. That's not Alex and Annie though. Here's a stainless steel cross. Oh, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. New with the tags. What did it say? A steel cross pendant. Clear something blue diamond. I think it's a created, but I will test it. But look at this. That is beautiful. Beautimous, beautimous. I would wear that. That's nice. Oops, we got an earring messed up here. Look at this. That's lovely. Yep. Lovely stainless piece, or statement necklace, I should say. Not stainless. There's a stretch bracelet, faceted beads. It's in good condition. Oh, here's another spoon ring. I've been getting these lately and I love it. It just needs cleaning. In fact, I know I sold one the other day. It has a magnetic closure. Again, what I love. Does need cleaning, but other than that, let's see, I think when they made it, they cut off the name on it. But that's nice. Here is another stretch ring. Perfect condition. These are glass beads. Oh, here's another stretch ring. Those are both nice. Very nice, very nice. Let's see, is that open up? No. Thought maybe that could be a locket, but I don't think so. That's nice though. Wow, what surprised me, I don't have bags in here. So I don't have, you know, like earrings and stuff. Look at this. I had one similar not too long ago. Mint condition. That's nice. Okay. Oh. Wow. I don't think I sold it. I have a necklace and earrings, and that will go with it. Stretch bracelet. So I'll put that aside. And these are ice cold beads. This is vintage. Magnetic closure. And let's see, what's it say in the back? Bernard. L-E-S. Bernard. I will check on these. These are lovely. These are ice cold, very heavy. Beautiful. That's a nice necklace. Here is stretch. This is heavy. This is metal, and I don't know if the spacers are metal too. I think so. That's nice. Here is a cool pendant. I can get it straight here. Like I said, if you see something you like, here is another fish bracelet. I get these every so often, but this one's a little different. I think this one is nicer. Has a little more weight to it. Here is a, could be a tie clip, could be just a pin. Either one. Here's a little ring. It's not tarnished though. Wow, this bracelet's different. Let's see here. This is tiny, I think. Probably fit about a 6.5. That's cool. Hematite. I'm not sure what this is. And okay, let's see here. Yeah, chain. That's pretty. Great condition. Oh, wow. I'm not sure if the paint might be chipping a little bit, but you know, that wouldn't be hard to paint with acrylic red paint. Let's see, it is upside down, I think. I think it says Macy's. C. Anyway, here's a Christmas brooch. A sled in a Christmas tree. That's kind of cool. We're almost getting to the end. Here's another bracelet. Like I said, I don't have any bags, so I don't have earrings to show. This is St. Anthony's. So that's a Catholic thing. It's another necklace. Another chain. And you know, sometimes if you say you don't want to wear a plain chain like this, which it's not really plain, it's nice, and you have a necklace that has, you know, a really tarnished chain, you can just use some of the good chains that maybe you're not going to wear and replace that chain. This is very old. Wow. Look at this. This is vintage. Very nice. Oops. There's some lovely pieces in this lot. You can see heart bracelet. Oh, this one's different. Huh? One of these. Okay. That's nice. That's faux pearl. Somebody just put a heart on this chain. I mean, you can add anything. That's what's nice about those chains. This is interesting. Again, a nice chain. That's Leah Sophia. I should have known that. These might be genuine pearls. Excuse me. Allergies, as usual. This is signed New York. And here's a single earring. Let's see here. We're almost done. Got some tangles here. This is a nice chain. I have another toggle bracelet. And that one. Okay. This is cool. This is also magnetic. Nice bracelet. I think we got some really cool bracelets in this lot. Okay, that's tangled. What's nice is I've been purchasing from this lady for a long time now, and she knows what I like and what I don't like, and most of it, like I said, I'm never totally ever disappointed in these bags. Okay, here is another bracelet. And this one here. Another small. You could add an extender on that. Now this one almost looks like a mushroom or an umbrella. Do have a couple of single earrings. Oh, look at this. This is stone. Toggle clasp. That's a lovely piece. Another bracelet. I guess some people just like to wear, you know, chains. I used to wear a 14 karat gold chain bracelet with my watch. This is cool. It's magnetic. If you have a larger wrist, that's a good one. Okay, and I will be showing my favorites in a minute. I am surprised though I have some single earrings. That's cool. Because usually there's not. But I'm glad, you know, I'm glad there's not just a lot of earrings because everyone knows I hate selling earrings. Now if they're with a set, that's different, but I guess because earrings are not my favorite thing to wear even. I wear them every day, but rings are my favorite. And, you know, statement pieces. And this is really old. This might be genuine pearl too. It just needs cleaning. I'm certainly not going to do the gritty test right now because it is dirty. Okay, let's see here. What did we got? This is kind of cool. Yeah, little heart pendant. That necklace. Okay, so I have 3 earrings. I will put them aside because I have another bag, and sometimes I find, you know, the mate in the other bag. This has a Shambhala closure. Wow, this is tough. Ooh, there we go. There's a bracelet, and then that one. Okay, let me do my favorites. Where do I want to start? Right here. You know, naturally the statement pieces. Right here. Those actually look good together. Love the watch. The rhinestones. This piece here. You know you're going to see all the rhinestones. This vintage necklace, it's rhinestone. All the statement pieces. I mean, it's not, excuse me, tennis bracelets. And let's see, where is, oh, Elizabeth Taylor watch. And this Armatron watch, which I'm hoping I can clean that up. Let's see. Oh, this here. This is so different. Okay, there are some pieces on this side too. A sea bead necklace. Okay. Where is... Oh, we don't want to forget this bracelet. That is lovely. And the stainless steel cross. This bracelet. Let's see. Wow. I like this lot. I think. Okay. Love this brooch. I think I pretty much got all my favorites. I mean, there's a lot of things I like, but these are my favorite. Oh, and yeah, I think I've got it. Anyway, look at these lovely pieces. Like I said, if there's anything you like, just let me know and send me an offer. And I check my email frequently. I get a notification every time you send me an email or a message. My phone makes a ding, so I know. So anyway, if there's something you like and you'd like to purchase, take a screenshot, send me an offer. Once in a while I have people will say, I would like this, please tell me how much you want. So that's fine too if you don't want to make an offer. But thanks for watching, everyone. See you soon. Bye.